Hey everyone, welcome to today's The Steady Trader daily video. Well, today I'm going to invite you to copy one of my crucial watch lists. Now, it's important to understand that just having a watch list is one thing, but being able to gain the context from it is the most important. So, for example, we received a lot of questions of late asking us, how do you find relatively strong or relatively weak parts of the market? Well, there's an entire process involved with this. It's not like just a single click of a button. However, I thought about it and I thought that, if I just give you the watch list that I watch, that might be the easiest way for you to kind of get your head around it a little bit. So, for example, yesterday we had a trading day on, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday, June the 19th, was quite choppy, was mostly to the downside, but there were parts of the market that were perking up, and instead of having to comb through the market here in all sorts of complicated ways, I more or less could tell that very quickly by just looking at a couple of things. We're working on a big new project that's going to, I think, pretty much revolutionize the way that you're going to look at the market. It's going to be a tool that I think is not only going to look really awesome, but also is really going to turn things around for most people if they actually are willing to put in the work. So let's have a look at the watch list. Let me quickly flip the camera, and the watch list looks as follows. So maybe before I even give you the actual watch list, let me show you what happened yesterday. Okay, so I'm gonna put so here, for example, and the watch list is over here on the right hand side. Okay, here, for example, yesterday you can see we had a nice update in this part of the market. This happens to be biotechnology stocks. Okay, and the market yesterday was down, the broad market, but biotechnology stocks, I think the IBB ETF rallied close to 1.5%. But there's all sorts of you can make it very complicated, but you can also keep it very simple in terms of finding opportunities like these. Now, just so you know, we've actually been long biotechnology stocks now for I think about 2.5 to 3 weeks. Those were real-time trade alerts sent out to our clients. If you're interested in that kind of thing, let us know, and with a comment down below, we can show you how you can get that. But this is the watch list. You can pause the video now for a second if you want to write this down. This is, for the most part, these are what I consider to be the most important sectors and some of the most important groups of the S&P 500 that actually have the potential to move the market. So in here, for example, you'll find large cap tech, you'll find small cap stocks, you'll find the financials, of course, you'll find small cap financials. You'll find semiconductor stocks and transportation stocks. Now, this is not mind-blowing, but by simply looking at this and seeing what is holding up better than the rest of the market in a down day, and vice versa, what's trading bad or weak on an up market, is going to give you a massive advantage over the rest of the market participants out there. Again, we're working on a tool that's going to be released over the next 1.5 to 2 months for you guys. It's going to be really, really awesome. But for right now, a very simple thing we found yesterday, just by looking at this, I mean, it literally didn't take more than looking at this for 3-4 seconds, we saw the biotech was holding up relatively well, and that's a good sign. So I hope you paused the video there for a second and took note of these sectors. Again, there's an entire process involved with this. It's not complicated, but there is a process involved. To constantly finding and making sure you're in the right side of the market. You can use things like our TST Vertical X Pro indicator or our TST stock market scanners, beta reversal scanners. Those are 3 of the tools. If you use that together in a very simple process, but there is a process, I think you too will find great success in the market. So anyway, I hope this is helpful, folks, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next Steady Trader video. Take care.